Have you ever felt that overwhelming sensation when you realize it's time to dive into the job market? The anxiety, the uncertainty, the endless scrolling through job boards, wondering if you're even looking in the right direction. If you're nodding your head right now, you're not alone. Job searching can feel like a daunting task, but let me tell you, it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to effectively conduct your job search using online portals like LinkedIn, Dice, Monster, CareerBuilder, FlexJobs, and so many more. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll feel more empowered and ready to tackle that job hunt head-on. First things first, let's talk about your application materials. It's crucial to prepare these before you even think about hitting that apply button. Start with your resume. This is your first impression. Make it count. Tailor your resume for the specific roles you're targeting. If you're applying for a marketing position, highlight your relevant skills and achievements in that area. Don't just list your job duties. Showcase your impact. Did you increase engagement on social media? Quantify those results. Numbers speak louder than words, right? Next up is your cover letter. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I really need a cover letter? The answer is yes. Create a general cover letter template that you can customize for specific roles. This will save you time and make your applications feel more personal. And let's not forget about your online profiles. Your LinkedIn profile should be professional and complete, mirroring your resume. Use a professional headshot, no selfies from last weekend's party, and sprinkle in some keywords relevant to your target jobs. This will help recruiters find you when they're searching for candidates. Once you've got your materials ready, it's time to identify your target roles. Make a list of job titles and keywords that align with your skills and goals. This is where job descriptions come in handy. They'll help you identify common qualifications and preferred skills. Don't just apply to anything and everything. Be strategic. Now, let's choose the job portals you want to focus on. Each platform has its strengths. LinkedIn is fantastic for networking and professional roles, while Dice is tailored for tech and IT jobs. Monster and CareerBuilder are like the Swiss Army knives of job boards with a wide range of opportunities. If you're looking for remote or flexible positions, FlexJobs is your best bet. And don't forget Indeed and Glassdoor. They're excellent for exploring company reviews and salary insights. Knowing what you're getting into can save you a lot of heartache down the road. Once you've picked your platforms, set up job alerts. This is key. Create alerts for your desired roles, locations, and industries. Use specific keywords to refine the alerts. For instance, if you're looking for an entry-level AI, ML engineer position, set that as your alert. This way, you'll be the first to know when new opportunities pop up. When it comes time to search for jobs, use filters to narrow down your options. Look for location, experience level, job type, and salary range. And don't be afraid to experiment with advanced search operators. For example, on LinkedIn, you can use Boolean searches to find exactly what you want. Try something like machine learning or AI, and entry-level or junior. It's like being a detective, and you're on the hunt for your next big break. Now, let's talk about applying strategically. Prioritize positions that align with your skills and goals. Customize your resume and cover letter for each application. It might feel tedious, but trust me, it pays off. Pay attention to deadlines and preferred application methods. Sometimes companies want you to apply directly through their site, while other times, they're okay with job portals. Know the difference? Networking is another crucial piece of the puzzle. Connect with industry professionals, recruiters, and hiring managers on LinkedIn. Engage with their posts and participate in relevant group discussions. Don't be shy about sending personalized connection requests. A short message expressing your interest in opportunities can go a long way. Remember, it's not just about what you know, but who you know. Now, let's dive into researching companies. Use Glassdoor and company websites to understand their culture, mission, and reviews. This knowledge will help you tailor your application to align with their values and needs. It shows you've done your homework and are genuinely interested in being a part of their team. When you land an interview, preparation is key. Review common interview questions for your target roles and practice articulating your skills and experiences. Familiarize yourself with the interview formats, whether they're technical assessments or behavioral questions. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel. Tracking your applications is essential for staying organized. Use a spreadsheet or a job application tracker to monitor the job titles, companies, application dates, and follow-up actions. This will help you keep everything straight and ensure you don't miss any deadlines. And don't forget to follow up. After interviews, send a thank you note. It's a simple gesture that can leave a lasting impression. If you haven't heard back after a week or two, consider following up politely via email or LinkedIn. It shows your continued interest and can sometimes nudge them in your favor. Finally, remember to expand and refine your search continuously. Update your profiles and resumes based on feedback or evolving trends. Explore new job boards or niche platforms in your field. Stay persistent and keep applying to suitable opportunities. The job search may feel like a marathon, but with the right strategy, you'll cross that finish line. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide to navigating the job search using online portals. Embrace the process, stay organized, and don't lose hope. Your next opportunity is just around the corner. Now, go out there and make it happen.